What's up guys? Today we're making a restaurant style green salsa. And once you see how easy this salsa is to make, you're not going to be going to the store and buying some boring old jarred salsa. So let's get into it. For this recipe you'll be needing 8 tomatillos, a quarter of an onion, 2 garlic cloves, and 4 chiles serranos. First things first, we gotta prep. We're gonna start by peeling our tomatillos. Okay, now I got my tomatillos ready. We're gonna start by taking the stem off of the chiles. Two garlic cloves. We're gonna be needing a quarter of an onion. Okay, now I got my ingredients ready. We're gonna head to the stove so we can go boil them. Here I got my pot of water, boiling water ready. And we're gonna be adding our chile serrano first. Now we're gonna be adding onions. And our 2 garlic cloves. We're gonna be boiling our chile, onion, and garlic for 3 to 4 minutes. And then we're gonna add our tomatillos. We didn't add our tomatillos first or right now because if we do, then they might burst. And then the salsa is gonna taste like sour and acid. We're gonna be boiling our chile, onion, and garlic for 3 to 4 minutes before we add tomatillos, because if we did add them right now, then they could burst open and then the salsa would taste sour and acid. Okay, our chiles have been boiling for 4 minutes now, and now it's time to add our tomatillos. We're gonna let them boil for 4 minutes as well. Okay, our ingredients are ready and we're gonna let them cool down for a few minutes until we head to the blender. Okay guys, now that our ingredients are ready, we're gonna put them in the blender. Now we're gonna be adding salt to taste. We're also gonna be adding some of the boiling water. Okay, now we're gonna blend it. This delicious green salsa is ready now, and we're gonna pour it into our bowl. Now we're gonna mix. Let's try. It's really good. You can eat this with chips, tacos, burritos, quesadillas, basically everything. Look at that delicious plate. Stunning. But you know I already had to pair my salsa with a quesadilla.